Hello everyone, welcome to another round of Chitter Chatter. Any guesses what's new about our Chitter Chatter today? Well, I'm making my debut on this Chitter Chatter where we've done more than 120 chit chats where I'm going to have two people at one time. Yes, we are going to interview two people at the same time. Director Abhishek Dogra, whom you all have seen direct a lot of things from Dolly Ki Dolly to Friday, and now his current show Hey Prabhu 2, as well as his actor Rajat Barmecha. So we are going to have two of them chit chat with us at the same time. A request, and let's get started. I hope you all have seen Prabhu 2. If not, you all should see it. It is right now the number one show on 9X. And while I've sent him a request, the moment Abhishek Dogra joins in, hello,
Hi Shweta, how are you?
I'm good, Janab. How are you?
I'm fab. Where's Mr. Barmecha?
I'm sending him a request. This is the first time I'm taking two people live at the same time, so it's a little I'm like figuring out how to do. So first I sent you the request क्योंकि director पहले important होता है ना, तो
Oh,
आपको
thank you.
weightage दे दी, अब आपके actor को बुलाते हैं.
Please बुलाइए.
And hello,
Hi, what's up? Mr. Barmecha is here, Mr. Dogra.
What's
आ
up,
गए
Barmecha?
आपके actor. अब अगर आप दोनों अलाउ करें तो हम ये चिटर चैटर शुरू करें.
बिल्कुल. All yours.
So how does it feel? Hey Prabhu 2 is trending right now. It's one of the top series going on in this lockdown. Everyone is saying Hey Prabhu and watching Hey Prabhu 2. So tell us all about it.
बताइए, Mr. Director.
Yeah, I think it's a great feeling here. It is actually doing well and been getting a lot of calls. We've done it the way we wanted to do it. Everybody's performed well. We had a blast working on it. That was the best part about it. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this.
Rajat, how do you want to say something about it? Because this is season 2. You all shot in the lockdown. Like, practically it was a very different time from the time you shot season 1. So how was it shooting season 2?
I've been saying this for quite some time now, कि season 2 is also a little special because this is the first thing we shot after the lockdown. Like, this is like right in the middle of everything, and we've not been shooting for a long time, and finally we start shooting for something. So I think it was a special thing for a lot of people, and I always try and mention this, that there were a lot of people who really, really worked hard, not just the director and the actor, but the crew, because उनको PPE kit पहन के रहना होता था कई बार, and they were always with a mask on. I could, obviously, because I'm an actor, I have to be without a mask, but everyone around is with a mask on, sometimes with a PPE kit on. So I think it's a very, very tough situation for them to be working physically, doing a lot of hard work, and in a PPE kit is tough. So I think lot of credit goes to them.
Absolutely. Yeah. And we were
Totally.
summer.
And you were?
We were
Continue.
we were shooting in the midst of a summer. You know those bad summers. We started off, then the show had to be called off because of some rules. Then again we started off, then somebody got positive, then again we had to wait for a couple of weeks. So yes, we shot in the middle of a pandemic. It was tough, but yes, kudos to the team, the entire team for doing it so well. Yeah.
So Komi Jain says bravo to the team. Absolutely. The green eared guy says, then green eared guy says, how was it working with the art team? Wolfie Cloud9 says, congratulations. All your fans here from Jaish, the Khani 007 to Sagar 010, Mr. Yash, all of them are saying season 3 kab aayega because they've already enjoyed season 2.
It's I feel I don't know if it's happening with you, Abhishek, but that is like the toughest thing for me, especially whenever something comes out, and as soon as it's out, people are like, "Kya re agla season kab aayega?" So it's like the day it's out, they're like, "Kya re season 3 kab aayega?" So it's a compliment, of course it's a compliment, but then it's like it's a question we don't know, like we don't have an answer for that.
I think at the moment let them enjoy season 2. Actually मुझे भी messages ज़्यादातर यही आ रहे हैं. Rather than congratulating, they're asking season 3 coming. I said यार पहले ये तो देख लो, फिर बात करेंगे season 3 का. But
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
It's nice.
सीजन 1 से सीजन 2 के बीच में the only question I got was सीजन 2 कब आएगा, सीजन 2 कब आएगा, और अभी सीजन 3 के लिए they are asking for that. But
But
yes guys,
left
hopefully
on,
someday.
we've left on that note where there is a possibility of season 3, and let's hope for the best. देखते हैं आगे.
हाँ, so यहाँ पे जैसे आपने कहा है that there is a possibility of season 3, suddenly hearts have started pouring, everyone is saying yeah the content was really good, season 3 ले आओ. तो I think अब lockdown चल रहा है, बैठ के काम कर लो season 3 पे, because here
हाँ.
everyone is like just sending our hearts the moment you said season 3, and here another one, Arshi Siddiqui says season 3.
यस, सीजन 3 आएगा नहीं आएगा, कब आएगा पता नहीं, उसके बीच में जो पेंडिंग काम है जो अभी ले रखा है वो खत्म करने दो हम दोनों को.
And I think it's the same scenario now. We started off at this time last year, and पहले भी pandemic चल रहा था, अभी वापस शुरू हो गया है. So it's tough. अभी we just want to, we are praying that this all ends, and anything other than even season 3 or anything else, everybody wants to work here, everybody wants to go out, everybody wants to, have that same life together.
There's someone from your family, अभिषेक, किसी ने नीचे लिखा हुआ था अभिषेक
हाँ,
जीजू.
मैं तो वही देख रही थी कि आपकी सारी साहिबा यहाँ हैं और उन्होंने 2 बार लिखा है. So I was just about to mention because I was like then Shikha won't let him be home कि यार वो बार-बार जीजू जीजू बोल रही थी, श्वेता ने तो पढ़ा ही नहीं
हाँ,
कमेंट.
साली का नाम कैसे नहीं लोगे.
बस करो जीजू जीजू.
And I think that's somebody from Hey Prabhu's art team also, because this question has come again. It's Mayur son the Agar _ how was your experience working with the art team?
ये डायरेक्टर साहब बताएंगे.
As I told you, we had started off in March. We shot for a day, and then the pandemic happened. So we were technically not shooting for 3 months. So we didn't know whether the show will go on or not. But the art was a tough part about it. After was very tough. We had to change locations continuously. We had to see that we were, for instance, there was this Sikka's house. I don't know if you've seen it. It was earlier a different place. Then we had to change it because we were shooting after 3 months. So yes, art was tough to to replicate it again. So that because we had shot for a day, and to come up with even the office for that matter, we had to build up, we had to break it down, then we had to build up. It was tough.
And also it's tough for these people because as an actor, as a director, we come last minute पे.
Exactly.
So अगर हमारा 7 बजे का शिफ्ट है, मैं 7-8 बजे आ भी जाऊंगा, वो तो 4 बजे से वहां पे है. They are setting it up. So I think it's a lot of hard work that goes behind creating that set.
So this next question is for Rajat. Rajat, your fans want to know how you as Rajat are close to the character you're playing in Hey Prabhu 2.
Not very similar. I think I always say there are parts of me which are which maybe they are similar to Tarun, but otherwise I'm a very, very different guy. I'm not that much into social media. I'm very bad with social media. I think Gulati is more Tarun Prabhu than I am. I think Gulati is always on social media. Gulati is Parul Gulati, who played who was Arunima in the show. So I think Gulati is always on social media and she's very like वहाँ shoot पे भी photo खींचते हैं, ये करते हैं. I'm not into all this. Like I'm very very मैं अभिषेक के साथ सेट पे साइड में कोने में बैठ के बातें करूंगा, मैं उसमें ज्यादा खुश हूँ.
I think that's the reason I really connected with Rajat on the set, was because हम दोनों, I feel at some point of time हम दोनों we are very similar. जैसे ये एक point है ना ये social media वाला, even I am not there too much on social media. I don't care about क्या pictures आ रही है, क्या हो रहा है, जो भी हो रहा है, अपना काम करते रहो. So yeah, I agree with Rajat. ये तरुण नहीं है. But
और किसी ने नीचे ये भी लिखा है and तरुण has sexual problems. So again मैं तरुण नहीं हूँ.
personally वो मैं बता सकता.
There is Manu Sharma Ryol. He has also worked as driver in your series, and a lot of scenes have got viral, and I have a lot of meme on that too. So he sends a hug to you all too.
Hi Manu मेरे भाई.
जब आप कोई series करते हो, I know you all are not active on social media, both of you, but there are a lot of memes that have been made of Hey Prabhu too. And I'm sure you must be getting on WhatsApp, like generally कोई देखता होगा, आपको forward करता होगा. So how does it feel? Because today's trend is if there are memes on you in a good way, it's doing well. If there are memes in a bad way, then your picture is not doing well. But you've got some amazing memes on the social media. How does it feel when it comes to you on WhatsApp?
Yeah, like it's funny because normally you see memes on social media here and there, or your fans are tagging you on all the memes. So वैसे, but it's like funny when it comes on your WhatsApp groups or someone from your family or friends, they send it to you because then it's like, and also like some people have told me कि हमारे group में किसी ने ये भेजा. So I think it is actually going everywhere. So it's funny. I think I've been seeing a lot of those memes. कोई तो कुछ तो है जो दो तीन तो मुझे बहुत funny लगे थे. So I think they're good. Yeah, good fun. I think social media पे यही time पास चलता है लोगों का.
Abhishek, you came in season 2. So there was already something going on and you became a part of it and created totally new. How is it suddenly picking up something from somewhere and creating totally by yourself this Hey Prabhu 2? And then, working with the team that existed, the actor who's already performed it. What was your journey?
I think it's a little challenging because somebody else had helmed season one. That was Shashank Ghosh. He's a fantastic director. And, filling up his shoes. He's a senior from the ad world. He's done a couple of good feature films as well. And then getting this responsibility to again, So yeah, it was difficult in the sense that you have to, the characters are very important when you come to season two. And if we can, if just we can replicate the characters, and they were obviously, the writing is different from season one. There are little nuances, the characters have changed a little. So but at the end of the day, everyone on the set from season one, like Rajat or Parul or anyone, they had a hang of it. That was the best part. I think we did like a couple of reading sessions, and then everybody was, I could say everyone had come from season one to season two. So yeah, they're good actors. Yeah, they did it. I mean, and it helped me here because they all had worked together. So unki chemistry was same. I felt when they were on the set. That's what a lot of people told me, that season one maybe they were like this only. So it helped.
So on this note, I have to say Sagar Chaudhary _ SCS says a lot of things which can be deciphered from this series, like how seriously one can earn by using his or her talent, like Tarun has as content writer. So what do you relate the most to Tarun, Rajat?
एक तो नीचे किसी ने लिखा था समथिंग लवली फेस और समथिंग, तो भाई 3 लोग हैं. प्लीज बी स्पेसिफिक ताकि पता चले कॉम्प्लीमेंट किसको मिल रहा है. 3 खूबसूरत चेहरे आपके सामने, तो बता दो किसको कह रहे हो आप. एंड secondly I feel when it's about making money, I so मतलब बीच में I end up becoming very philosophical, so just pull me back in if I'm getting into that direction. But
It's okay. Our Chitta Chatter is about Hey Prabhu and about a lot more. So you are free to get as philosophical as you want.
Yeah, because when it's about money, I always believe that do something that makes you happy. If you're like, I always say traveling and acting. These are the only 2 things that can make me wake up at 6 in the morning and still be happy about it. So I think because I love this craft so much, because I love acting so much, that I'm being able to do it, and that's how also Touchwood, it's like giving me money.
Touchwood.
So I think just do what makes you happy, because Tarun भी अगर कुछ और कर रहा होता तो वो बेचारा नहीं पैसे कमाता. It's just that वो उसके खून में. He is very witty. He's very into this social media world. So I think that's how he's just making money out of that. So do जिसमें मन लग रहा है, पैसा तो आता रहेगा.
Like रजत का एक बहुत I think Twitter पे या Insta पे he has a personal quote where he says that I act to travel.
नहीं. So that's I think on my Instagram, if I'm not wrong, it says what do you do for a living? So
Living?
I travel. So how do you make money? For that I act. So yeah, it's like it's something I believe in, because acting I'm doing because I love to act, but traveling I do for living. Like that's
Same.
what.
बिल्कुल.
You all both were shooting Hey Prabhu 2 in outdoors. Both of you all love to travel. Both of you all love to act, direct. So what did you all do besides shooting in Goa?
Unfortunately for the 2 of us, हम 2 ही थे जिनको बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं मिला to do anything at all.
Yeah,
because बाकी सब एक्टर्स को कहीं ना कहीं, जैसे किसी का सीन सुबह है, किसी का आज नहीं है, मेरे सीन सुबह से रात तक रोज थे, and obviously he is the director, so he has to be always there. So I think हम 2 ही थे. Shikha, Abhishek's wife, and his son, they were having a fun time. वो बीच पे जाते थे, but हम दोनों, I think we were just working all the time. We had like an evening or two once in a while,
Yeah.
but otherwise, once we went for dinner, I think, and that was the first dinner जो हमने एक restaurant में किया था after the pandemic, because तभी सब बंद था यहाँ पे बॉम्बे में. So finally in Goa, we were allowed to go to a restaurant and eat dinner. I'm itne excited with that day. I still remember going to that restaurant. So yeah, we didn't have too much free time.
So before I go ahead, Shika is here. What should we expect from season 3 now? Is what Shika is asking, and how can we not reply to her?
Yeah.
घर वाले ना जीजूस एंड शिखा. अरे you have to ask the channel people, not me here. Because actually I haven't written this show, so I have no idea अभी season 3 का आग क्या होगा. तो channel ही discuss करके बता सकते. So there you go. This is the answer.
शिखा को
So
थोड़ा
like-
शिखा को थोड़ा चिल्ला के बोलोगे तो पास वाले कमरे में सुनाई भी देगा वैसे.
अरे मत पूछ.
अरे मत पूछिए, आंसर ही बोल दिया कि अगला सवाल मत पूछ. Abhishek, what do you like about working with Rajat?
Ooh, nice. I like this question.
नहीं it's very simple यार. I to Rajat in quite a few things because मैं हूँ इसकी तरह. Like I am again वही same we repeating, but that is the fact. We don't care about social media. We both love traveling, and we kind of disconnect after the work, which I feel. I mean, I personally do that. I'm not into partying. I'm not into I'm not very good socially. तो मैं अपना काम करता हूँ, अपने घर आता हूँ, जो मुझे देखना है पढ़ना है वो मैं पढ़ लेता हूँ. एंड वंस इन अ वाइल यस फ्रेंड्स लोगों के साथ जो जो टेक्निकली मेरे फ्रेंड्स ज़्यादा इस इंडस्ट्री में है नहीं, आउटसाइडर्स ज़्यादा है. एंड अगेन जैसे इसका जो इंस्टा कोट है, ही वर्क्स. जैसे मुझे भी कोई भी सुबह उठा के बोल दे कि तुझे डायरेक्ट करना है एंड तुझे ट्रैवल करना है, आई कैन वेक अप ब्लडी एनी टाइम. In the middle of a night, I can do that. So it was easier to connect with Rajat, and he knows his craft. He was into it from day one. We didn't do anything of that sort कि यार बहुत मतलब कि हम rigorously कुछ कर रहे हैं. Yes, we did a workshop for a day or two, something like that. That's it. That's about it. So easy working with him, यार.
शुक्रिया.
Rajat, how was it working with
हाँ, मैं भी सेम बोलूंगा.
नहीं, सेम अलाउड नहीं है, आप दूसरा झूठ बोलो. How was it working with Abhishek?
नहीं, हम हमारा
That I relate to him. He's a foodie. वो जितना भी पतला है ना ये बंदा, ये बहुत बड़ा फूडी है. ये मेरे से बड़ा फूडी है.
हाँ,
आपसे बड़ा कोई foodie नहीं हो सकता.
मेरा क्वांटिटी बहुत कम रहेगा, but I love to eat. So you give me food any point of time, I would want to eat. I would want to try everything on this planet. It's just that I'll eat very thoda sa, and then in an hour or two I can obviously eat again. But then I really like to eat. So yeah,
I can totally relate to you because I love to eat, but I eat like a chidiya, and everyone gets irritated. Why are you ordering all this if you just had to like eat this much? I'm like, because I want to try everything that's there over there.
तुम दोनों 1/4 ऑर्डर किया करो, बाकी मेरे घर भेज दो.
तो आप साथ ही चल लो ना जब जा रहे हैं ऑर्डर करने.
ये भी ठीक है.
अभी तो वापस लॉकडाउन हो गया, तो होपफुली खुलने के बाद.
तो आपका झूठ अभिषेक डोगरा जी के लिए कि
So,
how
हाँ,
was it
so-
working with him?
So the good part about Abhishek and me both is कि हम झूठ नहीं बोल सकते. So अभी
Correct.
जो हम बोल रहे हैं वो सच ही बोलेंगे. इसीलिए we're very straightforward people. We're not people who would want to say something, mean something else. नहीं होता. Like I can't. If you ask me something even right now, that's why like when I was asked for कि ये interview कैसे होने वाला, I was like just let it run smooth. Like it doesn't have to be planned. Everything in life doesn't have to be planned. You just go with the flow. So that
True.
I think we both can connect with that. And working with him was fun, yeah, because season 1 was set already. We knew our characters. We knew where the story has come from. So I think we just had to take it forward. The writers did a good job. They wrote a good series. So हम दोनों ने बस मस्ती की है, and we just showed up every day and doing whatever best we could that day. And we just had a fun time. We both were not the kind of people who would be stressed or yelling. I'm not that person. He's not that person. I hate people who are yelling वाले सेट पे लोग जो होते हैं, या एडीज पे चिल्ला रहे हैं, या कहाँ पे चिल्ला रहे हैं, या ऑलवेज स्ट्रेस्ड आउट कि द फक इज हैपनिंग, ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा, ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो रहा. We both are not that people, so I think that's how we just had a fun time.
How was it working with, like, you all both have done theatrical movies, right? You, anyways, Hey Prabhu was one OTT. This was your OTT, like, for the first time. So, what is the difference when you're shooting for theater, when you're shooting for OTT?
You want to go first? I'll go first.
You go first.
So, you know, because I have a lot to say about this, because I started doing OTT when it wasn't this big in
True.
India. Because in 2015, I think, or 2016, I did the first web series, Girl in the City. So it started because it was a friend producing it. Anand Tiwari was producing that show. And he called me and said, कि अरे मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, and there's a cameo, would you do it? And I'm like, हाँ, मतलब करते हैं. That's how it all started. And that point we were shooting on 5D. So हम 5D पे shoot कर रहे थे. The budget was small. The crew was smaller. Like it was कि एक film shoot होनी है या एक web series shoot होनी है. But right now when we talk about Hey Prabhu season 2 or even Hey Prabhu season 1, I think now there is no difference. Like we have the same number of crew people, the same cameras we use, what we use in a film. And so I think everything is the directors, the actors, everyone is like, there's no difference between a web series or a film. So I think that difference has completely vanished, I feel.
Yeah, I mean, adding to that, there is a you have those pangs when there's a film coming up in the theaters. There is a lot of more pressure to it, and but having said that, मेहनत दोनों में सेम लगती है. I shot this like a film, यार. अगर ये फिल्म होती या ये वेब सीरीज होती, I would have done the same thing. But yes, when it comes to releasing, I mean, yes, I still I am doing a feature film next, so I know there is a bit of more pressure in that because there are a lot of numbers involved in it. There's a lot of money riding on it. Obviously, yes, on web series as well. But yes, वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा there is a different pressure than this. But good for us that I think people who don't want to do maybe television. I mean, there's nothing wrong in doing television, is what I'm saying. But some people, like, I stayed away from television, and you can't direct films every year. I mean, it's tough. I mean, there are a lot of people doing it. This is my second web series, so I did one last year for Z5. It's called Love Bites. So yeah, I think the web boom is good for me as a director. I don't have to idle. I can still work like a film and probably present it on a smaller canvas, maybe. But yeah, the hard work is the same. As Rajat said, you're using the same camera. The number of days are decided like it's decided in the film. The money has been put. So yeah, it's almost the same. But yes, there is a little bit more pressure when it comes to films. I think as a director, because a lot of validation happens like theatrical film, and yeah, but ये भी अच्छा है.
किसी ने नीचे लिखा है दीदी को बात करने देना भाई.
I knew you laughed on that because the comment आया and you were like,
I was like, and it's like, मेरे पे कर रहा है.
and I realized you didn't realize that is why he's doing it. It has nothing to do with you.
हाँ, क्योंकि मैं नीचे पढ़ रहा हूँ and जो जा रहे हैं, I'm like अरे यार, yeah, like my comment.
Suddenly, Abhishek's face was like, मैं तो कुछ ऐसा बोल ही नहीं रहा हूँ.
हाँ, कि ये funny बात तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं, but I love comment section on a live chat. I think that they are hilarious.
So when you started your acting, tell us the most embarrassing moment of your life till now.
I'm sure I've had a few, but one I remember very clearly, and also that shows that when I came to this profession, I had no idea about anything. Like whatever I know today, I think I would always say, a lot of people ask me, have you been to a film school? आपने acting कहाँ से सीखी? आप अच्छी acting करते हो? मैंने acting सीखी ही नहीं कभी. मेरा initially auditions दे के auditions was my acting school. And then one of the biggest acting school was Udaan. Vikramaditya Motwani and Anurag Kashyap, and more so Vikram. I think because we've spent more time together, I think has taught me everything I knew, and then eventually I learned more, and I'm growing every day. But the first when I came to Bombay, जब मैं auditions देता था, एक बार एक audition पे मैं गया, and I don't exactly remember how, but there was a point when audition के बाद you have a slate, like a slate or clap, something they had जिसपे board पे नाम number लिखना होता है. So after the audition was done किसी बंदे का, they said clap ले आओ वाला ये something, and I thought that the person has done a good job, so we need to clap. So I actually did this, and I realized कि okay, तो मैं समझ गया, obviously मैंने बेइज्जती कराई नहीं वहाँ पे, but then that's how raw I was when I came to this profession. I had no idea.
Abhishek, what about you?
एक clap से याद आ रहा है, my first film. I started as an assistant director. I did 5 films as an AD, and then probably. So first, I remember first day on the set. This was a Mukta Arts film. Satish Kaushik was directing this, and मुझे clap दिया था because I was like an intern. I had just started, and Akshay Khanna was there, and he is a bit moody. थोड़ा सा moody है वो. A fantastic actor, but थोड़े से moody है. तो उस टाइम पे क्लैप बोर्ड पे चौक से लिखा जाता था, नॉट विद द मार्कर पेन और एनीथिंग जो अब होता है. तो आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू गिव द क्लैप. तो मैंने अपना लिखा सीन, शॉट एंड टेक नंबर एंड ऑल दैट, अच्छे से लिखा, अच्छी हैंड राइटिंग में लिखा. एंड जैसे ही मैंने क्लैप मारा, ठाप, जितना भी क्लैप का डस्ट था ना, उसके बेचारे के मुंह पे पूरा गया. तो आई वाज एक्साइटेड ना, फर्स्ट क्लैप, पार्ट. First clap, Abhishek, part. And then I realized, and a lot of people told me that clap थोड़ा दूर देना होता है और आराम से लिखना होता है. इतना घिसड़ के लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, उतना लिखना है जितना कैमरे में दिख जाए. तो clap board से मुझे वो याद आया. That was the first fuck up that I did.
वैसे Shikha Dogra has a comment for you here. Why don't you act, Abhishek Dogra?
I mean, get producers, yeah, I would love to.
हाँ, वो कह रही है मेरे पति का इतना खूबसूरत चेहरा है, वो एक्टिंग क्यों नहीं करता? हीरो तो वही लग रहा है.
नहीं यार, ऐसा I can't act. I know that. In fact, Shweta also knows it. I am very camera.
He can act. He just doesn't want to give that a shot.
Shweta,
Rajat, what's on your t-shirt?
Shweta, you're looking very hot and something किसी ने लिखा था, hot and stunning.
Thank you.
Yeah.
अब मैं खुद की क्या तारीफ करूं, तो मैं वो कमेंट्स लाउडली नहीं पढ़ रही हूँ, but thank you for
नहीं,
reading.
अरे वही तो हमारा काम है, एक दूसरे की तारीफ करना. Like that's what we're here for.
तुम लोग
मेरी
actually
टी-शर्ट,
मुझे तो कमेंट्स कैसे पढ़ पा रहे हैं यार?
हाँ वो नीचे आ रहा है. Shweta, your smile is very beautiful. Your smile has stolen my heart.
Thank you. Rajat, what's on your t-shirt?
So
Fan wants to know.
It says Freddie Mercury, और ये Bohemian Rhapsody kind of pose है उनका. So this is what it is.
Ailo Robin Khan is saying you're that Udan movie guy. Tell us something about Udan.
Yes, इतनी जल्दी आपको पता चल गया.
सबको ही पता है, और हम उड़ान करने ही वाले थे उड़ान की तरफ, बट अब थोड़ा हमें बताइए, how was it working on Udan, and it's
Good
done
fun.
so well.
Random guy, just fuck off. अरे इनका he's there नीचे. He just said what about the random guy.
Okay.
तो ये अभिषेक का साला है जो नीचे
पूरी फैमिली है.
लिख, पूरा परिवार है आपका. मेरे परिवार में no one is interested.
यो परिवार सिंह, तुमने उड़ान भर ली, तुम हे प्रभु टू ट्रेंड कर रहे हो, अब तुम करो, तुमको जो करना है. इनको हम फिर भी कर रहे हैं कुछ.
या मेरे घर वाले थे annoyed after a point कि अरे क्या ये लाइफ चलते रहते हैं, हमें चुप रहना पड़ता है घर में.
तो शिखा भी इसीलिए इरिटेट होके दूसरे रूम से बार-बार कमेंट किए जा रही है.
So like about Udaan, what I said earlier, I think Udaan was my biggest learning when it comes to as an actor. I won't say everything I know today I know because of Udaan, but everything started because of Udaan. Everything, I was zero when it comes to what to expect out of an actor or technicalities related to associated with it. everything I learned on Udan, like with Vikram, because Vikram was so patient with me. I don't know how. I'm sure he is with everyone, but with me, because we were both, it was our first film, his first film, my first film. So there was so much raw energy on that set. So मुझे कभी भी कुछ समझ नहीं आता था. I would ask him कि अरे like I'll give you an example कि अगर आप OS इधर से ले रहे हो तो how do you know कौन सा कंधा उधर जाके लेना है. So he would actually come with a paper and a pen, draw the X's, tell me कि master इधर से हुआ है. तो so like those technicalities I never learnt in any film school or anywhere. So I think Udan पे I learnt a lot technically. And then acting ka to I don't know. I was just doing it. I didn't know if I'm a good actor, a bad actor, an awful actor. But it just happened, I think. So Udan was the start of everything professionally.
तो उड़ान से आपकी उड़ान हुई.
Ji, professional
You can say
Udan for
correctly.
sure.
Okay, whenever something releases, there are trollers, there are reviews, there is everything. How important is all of that for you?
Batao, Abhishek.
Sorry, come again.
When something releases, there are reviews, there are trollers. Some are good, some are bad. How do you all react to the bad ones? First, tell us that.
यार मैंने बोला ना मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता हूँ जब कुछ बना देता हूँ ना. So it's all on the audience, and I think it's fine if they don't like something. Fine if they like something. I really don't, get serious about it. I don't take it to my until unless yes, I've written something, and I feel that it should get the kind of justice that it's not getting. But for me, it's very easy. It's no stress. I mean, if though people don't like it, it's absolutely okay. If they love it, wow, brilliant. मजा आ गया. मतलब मेहनत काम आ गई. So yeah, I don't, and we are not on social media. So it helps. It helps. कम trolls दिखते हैं, कम ऐसी टाइप की चीजें मैं देखता हूँ. Because मैं हूँ ही नहीं social media पे. बहुत कम. So yeah.
Pooja Chopra official says, yo, what's up? Dogra, lots of kisses your way.
Yeah, you wanna?
Hello, are you all there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. Rajat, what about you?
It doesn't bother me at all. I'm very, very open to these things. I like when people give feedback. Like I really like that. Now it doesn't have to be always good. It's okay if someone says ki I didn't like your performance, I didn't like your work or that film or that show. It's fine. I'm fine with the people being critical about it. But I like hearing what people have to say. It's nice. You get to hear good things, bad things, everything. Uh, uh, so yeah, I think even in life I'm more of that ki I want to know about everything, but then it doesn't affect me. I'm very neutral when it comes to अगर मेरी बहुत तारीफ करोगे तो भी it will give me happiness, and अगर आप मेरी बुराई कर रहे हो तो भी मैं खुशी हूँ. Like it's not affecting me negatively.
Okay,
Rajat,
on that note, हाँ
आज
Rajat,
कि वो द बमेचा हाउस खुला है क्या आज?
हाँ वो next question था.
अरे मैं बोल रहा था इतने ध्यान से तो मैंने नहीं पढ़े ये वाले. बर्मेचा हाउस कल खुल रहा है. If you don't know, it's a cafe I just started. So
Oh, congratulations on your cafe.
thank you. So my brother got positive, so we obviously stopped. We got everyone tested. Finally, his quarantine is over, so tomorrow we start.
Okay. So everyone, Barmecha House is open from tomorrow, and you all can order and takeaways and everything is open from tomorrow.
Yes,
Yeah, he's also been there, Abhishek.
I've been there. Yes, and I had 3 iced teas.
He was just ordering back-to-back iced tea.
His favorite. अब हम खेलेंगे एक छोटा सा गेम,
अरे
which is अरे मतलब he
अरे
likes
that's
playing games.
no
You don't
I
like?
I love
Oh, okay.
games.
वो अरे ऐसे था, I was like,
मैं आगे बोलना चाहता था. अरे अब मजा आएगा. अरे पायल
अच्छा तो
बर्मीचा.
मैं वापस बोलती हूँ,
I
take two कर लेते हैं.
there,
So now we're gonna
there's some Barmecha नीचे. I've never met another Barmecha, I feel.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to say again, and you can have "अरे के आगे" like "अरे मजा आएगा" type. So let's do a take 2. So now we're going to play a little game.
Arey, that's my favorite.
Perfect.
Better?
Better. This take was okay. But the thing is, so who's going to go first from both of you?
अभिषेक डोगरा का इंटरनेट नीचे जा रहा है.
आई थिंक शिखा ने मूवी देखना शुरू कर दिया है या हे प्रभु वो वापस देख रही है कि
यार
नेट यूज हो रहा है
ऊपर
शिखा ने वाईफाई बंद कर दिया.
कि बहुत हो गया चिट चैट अब आ जाओ. Okay, Abhishek is back. Who's gonna go first from both of you?
Well, you decide.
You all decide. Otherwise, you always say you. Okay, Abhishek's net is buffering, so I think you go first.
ठीक है, done.
Okay, so now only the thing is whatever I question you, the answer has to be Hey Prabhu, and then the answer has to follow.
Okay.
Okay, so let's get started.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Abhishek has frozen in our game. टीम से एक बंदा तो आउट ही हो चुका है.
हाँ, तो मैं जीत गया वैसे भी. हाँ.
ठीक है, कॉफी बर्मेचा हाउस से गया. Oh shit, he's literally gone.
I think he'll join. Send him a request. I think he might be able to join
Wait,
back.
let me see. I can't see him here, so he'll have to send a. Let me. No, he's not here. So I think he might be restarting. Okay, so in the meantime, let us start while people are here.
Yeah.
Describe your current state of mind.
Hey Prabhu, why am I always happy?
What talent do you long for?
Hey Prabhu, I wish I could sing.
When are you the happiest?
Hey Prabhu, always.
Okay. Who is the greatest support of your life?
Hey Prabhu, that would be my mother.
Okay. What do you value the most?
Hey Prabhu, peace of mind.
Share a short-term goal.
Hey Prabhu, I really have to and want to desperately go to Japan and Alaska this year.
Okay, Tathastu, I hope Prabhu kare because everyone wants to travel. Yeah, we all have just got locked.
You have no idea how badly I want to travel. That is one thing I really, really miss. Like that
I've
is
been
one
only
thing I'm
traveling
dying.
through movies and books. That's the only thing we've been able to do right
I
now.
know,
Otherwise,
right?
kuch nahi. Okay, Abhishek is here. Let's send him a request. क्यों नहीं जा रही है request? Abhishek,
चले.
send me a request. For some reason, I can't send you a request. It's showing hide video from Abhishek instead of sending a request. Okay, long-term goal.
Hey Prabhu, that's a tough question. I don't have, I don't think so. I have like major long-term goals, but yeah, I don't know.
Biggest inspiration.
Hey Prabhu, I don't know who, but there was one interview I read one day somewhere, some actor, Hollywood actor. I don't know who that actor was. Now I don't remember. It's long back, but that really was a good one. It spoke a lot of things which I truly believe in today. That I try to live by.
But you don't remember who it was.
I don't remember. I think it could be Ryan Reynolds or someone. I don't know. But he spoke about how he started making a lot of money, and he had people around him, friends, family, who were not like making that much or who were struggling a little bit. And he said, "What is the point of me having all that money and like the person close to me is not happy or struggling? So it's a waste to have all that money." So he really started helping every friend out, everyone out. And these I'm talking not like normal janta, the close ones, like your inner circle especially. So I really got inspired by that interview and thought, and I try and do as much as I can.
Okay, your favorite romantic movie.
Hey Prabhu, P.S. I Love You, maybe, or The Notebook. I don't know. I'm reading for the first time. I'm reading a book. It's a romantic book. It's called
And you're
Eleanor
not
and
a
Park.
reader usually.
No, not romantic books. I've never read romantic books. So this is the first time I'm reading a romantic novel. So I hope it will be nice.
It's a very nice book. You're going to enjoy it.
Yeah. A lot of my
Yeah.
fans, they told me when I put out a story, they were like, "Yeah,
Eleanor
Eleanor
and
and
Park
Park."
is a brilliant book, and you are definitely going to enjoy it. And it's definitely going to have a warm heart once you're done with it.
Yeah. I hope so. I just started. Like I think 40 pages down.
Your favorite books otherwise to read.
Hey Prabhu, that's an easy one. I love The Alchemist. I think that had one of the biggest impact on me. Into the Wild book and the film. Tuesdays with Maury is another book. 40 Rules of Love is another book.
Oh, I have to stop you. Have you read Mitch Albom? You were talking about Tuesdays with Maury. Have you read his
Yeah.
Timekeeper?
No, I'm not.
You
I've
have
only
to
I've
read.
I've only met two of his books, Tuesdays with Maury and Five People You Meet in Heaven.
So
These two.
five people you meet in heaven. If you've read his next book, the next five people you meet in heaven is out. You're gonna love it. If you
Oh,
love five people you meet in heaven, that's
I'll buy
already
it.
out. I think 3 months back.
Okay.
And you have to read Timekeeper by Mitch Albom. You are gonna love it. If you've loved these two books, there's no ways you're not gonna like Timekeeper.
ठीक है, I'll order that.
Okay,
Perfect.
back to a favorite action movie.
हे प्रभु, I don't know यार.
Abhishek, I've been sending you a request. By any chance, can you accept it or you send me a request? I've again sent another one waiting for Abhishek to join in. Okay. In the
Abhishek
meantime,
को I think
favorite.
Abhishek आ गया आ गया.
Abhishek is here. Abhishek is here.
यार पता नहीं क्या हो गया था.
शिखा ने
कोई
बुला
नहीं,
लिया
कोई
था ना, सच बोलो.
Hmm.
विका ने बोला कि वो बर्तन मान
It was a much needed.
you know,
It was
खाना
that
बनाना है
one much needed break, बीच वाले romance.
वाओ.
शाम का टाइम है, कॉफी
शादी
बन
कर-
रही है.
रजत तू शादी कर ले.
हाँ मैं बस लड़की का इंतजार कर रहा हूँ, बस मिलते ही शादी करता हूँ.
ये तो फेवरेट लाइन है अभिषेक का. शादी कर ले, शादी कर ले.
ये दिल्ली वाली चाई जी बिहेवियर है. दिल्ली की सारी चाई जी होती है ना, वो कि अरे बेटा शादी कब कर रहे हो, शादी कर लो, अभी शादी की
अब
उम्र हो गई
नेक्स्ट
है.
क्या?
कुछ नहीं हो रहा, आज ही शादी कर लो.
Okay, so did you see the game we were playing or you were completely lost?
No, I did बीच में, and then
So
I was
you know,
a request. I don't know how to send a request, so I was trying to do that, and I did it finally.
Okay, so let's continue. Favorite romantic movie? Let's go back and start from there.
अच्छा,
Are you
हे
ask-
प्रभु, that would be The Notebook and P.S. I Love You.
Okay, I'm again going off track. Sorry. Have you read P.S. I Love You?
I've not read the book, no.
If you've seen P.S. I Love You, the next romantic book you should read is Postscript. आगे क्या होता है P.S. I Love You के बाद? उसकी वो
Oh.
book भी out हो चुकी है. So you can
But
read
but
that
but
also.
but पता है मैं अगर ये पढ़ूंगा ना, मेरे को बहुत वो like वो
वो होना है.
रोमांस जाग जाएगा. वो अभी तो मैं सिंगल हूँ, तो रोमांस नहीं
कोई
जागना
नहीं,
चाहिए.
अभिषेक कोई ढूंढ लेगा, फिर बोलेगा शादी कर लो. अब रोमांटिक
हाँ,
कर ली है,
I think
रोमांस
हाँ.
जाग गया, जाओ शादी कर लो.
अभिषेक कह रहा है मैं तो कुछ कर नहीं सकता भाई, अभी तुम ही आगे बढ़ो.
आगे बढ़ो आगे.
Favorite action movie?
Hey Prabhu, that's a tough one because I don't remember too many action movies. But yeah, I recently saw this one, the entire trilogy है ना, very famous. कौन सा है? Matrix. I just saw it for the first time. I know
I haven't seen it still, so it's cool.
अच्छा फिर ठीक है.
Still lagging.
Because मैंने अभी I finished all three in one like go. So I think it was pretty interesting. So yeah, I think that was nice.
A director you want to work with?
Hey Prabhu, that would be
क्या खत्म फिनिश.
क्या?
अभिषेक डोगरा हो गई मेरी इच्छा पूरी.
हाँ
हो
वो तो हो गया
वो तो
खत्म ना.
काम कर लिया. अभिषेक डोगरा जी के अलावा किसी और के साथ a wish that you feel like working with
I
whom you've
have
never worked?
I have a lot. I think even with like I've always said Imtiaz Ali, so I think I like his work. So Imtiaz would be one. Then Anurag also, like we know each other so well, but we've never worked as an actor director. So I think it would be fun to work with him. And बहुत है यार, I've just started my
तो हे
journey.
प्रभु लेके नाम शुरू करो. ऊपर वाला
हाँ.
हो सकता है सुन के हाँ बोल दे.
हाँ अभी इसीलिए मैंने अभी स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है लॉकडाउन में. So I hope that I'm gonna give it to few of the people I really like and I would want to work with. So let's see how that goes.
अभिषेक देखना स्क्रिप्ट आ गई है कि नहीं बताना.
बोला
नहीं.
people he wants to work with.
That's why I said देखना स्क्रिप्ट आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है. Make sure.
अभिषेक
तो कुछ नहीं तो झूठे मुंह एक कॉपी तो आ ही जाएगी.
ये स्क्रिप्ट है क्या? अरे आगे सबसे पहले.
हाँ नहीं but Abhishek knows about this. I've spoken to him about this.
Yes, ये तब लिख
Okay.
रहा था.
A
हाँ.
movie, if it was being remade, you want to be a part of.
Hey Prabhu, that's very easy. Into the Wild.
Ah,
So you have won a hamper from Barmecha House. It's opening tomorrow. It should reach you in time.
I will prepare the hamper for myself.
And it should reach you in time.
Oh, it should, it should.
So now let's have the round with Abhishek. Abhishek, the rule game is whatever I question you, you have to answer, but you have to start with Hey Prabhu.
okay. Okay.
So ready? Your internet is okay? Can we start?
Yes, ma'am. Hey, Prabhu.
Describe your current state of mind.
Hey, Prabhu. I'm wanting to go out. I want to travel.
What talent do you long for?
I've already won.
Is this a competition or what?
Yes, it was. It's
Hey,
for the
It's gone. You lost
it-
twice.
it's for the Barmecha house. It's for the Barmecha house hamper.
Which he's won. And he's going to prepare tomorrow morning on his story. He'll be preparing the Barmeja house से hamper for himself, which he's won.
ये तो यार मुझे क्वेश्चंस पहले भेजा करो तुम.
Oh.
चलो कोई नहीं, मैं आपको कॉफी के लिए ले जाऊंगी, पर जवाब तो दो पहले.
What was it? Sorry, I forgot.
What talent do you long for? Again, he's like,
There is no one talent. Sorry.
you have definitely lost the game. We cannot play further.
Good food. Yes. Someone who can cook well.
You had to start with Hey Prabhu, so you lost again.
Oh.
Yeah, 3 times. Like, अब इससे ज्यादा हम ना खेल पाई.
Hey, Prabhu, good chef.
You've actually lost thrice, Abhishek. There's no way you can win now.
That's okay. I'll still go to Barmecha house. I'll order my hamper and I'll have it.
You'll order again 3 iced teas and you'll have it.
I'll do that. I love it.
When are you the happiest?
Hey, Prabhu, when I'm traveling.
Same pinch to both of you because he said the same thing.
मैंने सुना नहीं था. I was lost.
You are lost even now. When I'm questioning, I'm like, have you frozen or are you lost? Like, what has happened? Internet freeze हुआ है? Because you're like, क्या है
Okay.
ये?
Next.
Who's the greatest support of your life?
My wife, Shikha. Hey, Prabhu, my
Lost again. Hey Prabhu.
Prabhu.
Hey Prabhu, इनको सिखाओ game के rules.
Hey, Prabhu, my wife, Shikha.
And this only Shikha has paid no heed to. There was no comment, no heart, nothing.
Because she's sitting right here.
And it's also like परेशान होके बोल रहा है Hey Prabhu, my wife Shikha. Make sure you don't do that.
I'm like, say it with love and romance, yeah, Abhishek.
Yeah.
Come on, take 2.
Hey, Prabhu, my wife, my beloved Shikha. और कुछ
नहीं, थोड़ा और प्यार. वो
हाँ,
इमोशन करेक्ट
उसको
नहीं पकड़ा आपने
शिखा
प्यार
शिखा
वाला.
हाँ
पत्थर मिल जाए ना अभी तुम दोनों के मुंह पे मारोगे.
शिखा को देखो तो सही. वो लोग भी पूछ रहे हैं वे शिखा को मिलाओ तो सही फैन से.
रजत कब शादी कर रहा है तू?
मैं तो कर लूंगा. तुम शिखा से
पहले
मिलाओ
मिलाओ
लोगों
तो
को.
शादीशुदा कैसा होता है लाइव वो भी दिखा दो हमको. गिव हिम सम मोटिवेशन. नो
चाय जी का क्वेश्चन आया. चाय जी. हे
हाँ
शादी कब करोगे?
हाँ हे प्रभु जल्दी. अरे अभिषेक डोगरा नीचे भी है. हाय लिखा है.
अरे दो ये
ये
क्या
अभिषेक-
हो रहा है?
ये क्या हो रहा है?
ये क्या हो रहा है? ऐसा कुछ मेरे लाइफ में पहले कभी नहीं हुआ है. व्हाट आर यू ऑल डूइंग ऑन माय लाइफ?
ये आई थिंक लैपटॉप पे वो जाके शिखा इज राइटिंग हाय इसी के प्रोफाइल से.
शिखा यहाँ पर ही.
तो फिर कौन लिख रहा है आए?
आई डोंट नो. गेस. अच्छा वीवा
Okay.
आगे बढ़ो.
We stopped playing long back when 4 times.
हाँ मतलब
The
बहुत
game
ही
had
स्लो कर दिया.
dissolved.
गेम
The game had dissolved long back. Rajat has won. He's got the hamper.
More into
And
outdoor. I'm more into outdoor games. बाहर आइए मेरे साथ टेनिस खेलिए. मेरे साथ टेनिस खेलिए. मेरे साथ स्क्वॉश.
नहीं बट वो हम भी अच्छा खेलते हैं. बट दैट्स नो एक्सक्यूज टू suck at this game.
it's okay. You lost, Abhishek. Just accept it.
अच्छा
Well-
नीचे किसी ने पूछा व्हाट्स योर एज मुझे. सो आई वांट यू गाइस टू गेस. नीचे
Guess.
लिख के बताओ मुझे. व्हाट डू आई वांट टू नो कि लोगों को क्या लगता है.
तो गाइस आपके हिसाब से राजत बर्मेचा की क्या एज है? अगर आपने एज सही गेस की then maybe you might get something from बर्मेचा in the house.
सब बर्मेजा हाउस ने ये लाइव स्पॉन्सर किया है।
नहीं मतलब they'll pay for it but you will still give them, right? वो भी मैं आगे बोल रही थी।
सब पहुंचो,
अरे
सब
अरे
सब
वापस वापस अभिषेक डोगरा ने लिखा है 18।
28, 29, 24 मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है मैं हाउस ही खेल रही हूँ अचानक। 35, 30,
35 I fucking love
34,
35
28,
शिखा is saying
28, 26, शिखा क्या बोल रही है? 31,
26
28,
चलो थैंक यू गाइस, जतिन जीत गया।
okay.
जतिन ने लिखा था
69,
क्या लिखा?
32 like in I think 13 days I'll be 22.
Oh, fine. So guys, सब लोग बरमेचा हाउस।
so guys, wish you a very happy birthday, Rajat, in advance from me and from everyone out here. And
Thank you.
guys, on his birthday, you can read Barmecha House.
But अभी
बरमेचा हाउस पहुंच जाना 13 दिन बाद। वर्षों भाई, I
नहीं
don't-
बर्मेचा हाउस में अलाउड नहीं है अभी, इट्स ओनली टेक अवे एंड डिलीवरी।
अरे टेक अवे के लिए पहुंच जाना यार।
हाँ ज्यादा भीड़ मत करना, कोविड चल रहा है भाई हूँ, पर मैं वहां नहीं होने वाला वैसे भी।
अच्छा, पहले ही safe zone.
I don't go there every day.
So thank you, Rajat, and thank you, Abhishek, for joining this chitter chatter. Hope you all had great fun, and thank you for removing time. And all the best for Hey Prabhu 3.
Thank you so much. It was great fun, and we also, all thanks to you, Shweta, we got to know how awful Abhishek Dogra is at
In the
certain
game.
games. So games में कितने वाहियात हैं हमें आज पता चल गया।
देखो तुम लोगों ने
आज तो
चीटिंग
इन्होंने
करी।
मेरी नाक कटवा दी।
इसका जब गेम
क्या
स्टार्ट हुआ
चीटिंग की हमने?
तो तुम लोगों ने मुझे आउट कर दिया। I
अरे
saw
आउट,
हाँ,
I
हम तो आए थे वहां पे नेट बंद करने, स्पेशली
But
दैट
out-
इज व्हाट वी डिड।
बट आउट कर दिया, लेकिन मुझे तो कुछ पता भी नहीं था वैसे भी, तो आई तो आंसर्ड लिटरली द फर्स्ट वन टू आंसर।
I need proof किसने क्या आंसर्स दिए और मेरे से बेटर आंसर्स दिए हैं।
जज
आपने
जज
आंसर ही नहीं दिए तो बेटर का सवाल ही
और-
नहीं है।
और
You
जज-
didn't
जज-
answer.
जज वैसे भी श्वेता है, सो यू डोंट हैव टू नो मैंने क्या आंसर दिए। शी वाज सपोज्ड टू नो।
You forgot, hey Prabhu. You froze every time I asked you a question.
I didn't. My internet
But Shikha Dogra still loves you. She's saying, Abhishek, I love you still. That's the
यहाँ
way.
अरे वहीं से बोल दो ना।
freeze हो गया था जो अब आया है।
हाँ अच्छा, also before we go and shut this, I always want a few questions from people because बेचारों ने बहुत देर से देखा है, so can we have like 2 minutes for them asking questions if
Yes,
they have
please.
any?
Everyone, please free to ask any more questions you all have besides
Yes.
the questions you all had sent me on DM. क्योंकि जो आपने भेजा था वो सब मैंने इनको पूछ लिया है.
Yeah, and don't give hi, take my name because that will just waste time. So please actually पूछ लो सवाल. So I think it'll be fun because बहुत देर से देख रहे हैं, 1 घंटा हो गया है. They should get.
Oh shit, 1 घंटा हो गया. This is
हाँ.
again been a long chitter chatter. जल्दी पूछो, इसके पहले I lose the chat. I need to save it on IGTV. Okay, Rajat, you are a Marwari?
I am a Marwadi Jain, yes.
Shikha Dogra says, hey Prabhu, I love you.
तो कौन, मैं कि ये?
Prikash says your next film.
हाँ, my next film I've just signed something, but I'm not legally allowed to say anything.
So maybe soon you all will know. Ye Hina
Very, very
says, did
soon.
you start writing after Udan?
Yes, I did. I've never written a single word before Udan. But yes, after Udan I started धीरे-धीरे करके. Now I'm a little better.
Sapna Bish is asking, आप वही हो ना जो सनम की एल्बम में आते हो?
नहीं, सनम की एल्बम में तो एबी आती होगी, मैं तो नहीं आता.
Which project of yours, Rajat, is next? Which other project can you talk about next? Maithili Mahajan is asking.
Yes, hi Maithili. I saw a couple of messages from her. She said I've DM'd you. ये झूठी शिखा डोगरा है मुझे लग रहा है.
हाँ ना, इतना प्यार पॉसिबल ही नहीं है.
ये फेक शिखा डोगरा है जो नीचे अलग जोन में जा रही है.
इसके पहले ये लोग का जोन यहाँ शुरू हो जाए. शुभ चौधरी saying favorite moment from Hey Prabhu to shoot.
Favorite moment from Hey Prabhu shoot. I think it was a good fun shoot, yeah. Overall, throughout we had a good fun time. Goa was fun. At least the location was different. we were all staying under one roof. So good fun.
Varinder Talwani is saying, what are you doing these days?
I'm chilling, yeah, right now. So my shoot got pushed because of course, Shikha Dogra, we get it. I understand your feeling. It's okay.
हम
Relax.
बस 2 मिनट में खत्म ही करें शिखा.
हाँ,
रुक जाओ.
हाँ.
2 मिनट,
Me,
सिर्फ 2 मिनट और.
yes.
It's
Misha Jain, hi. And one person asked favorite co-actor, Mithila, I think, yes. And I think we can end this whenever
No,
we
no, how
are.
things are going on at Barmecha House? Hardik is asking.
हार्दिक बर्मिचा हाउस पे चीजें बहुत अच्छी चल रही है मेरे भाई. Everything is good. My brother is handling it. So,
asking Barmecha House कहाँ है? Please आप एड्रेस भी बता दीजिए.
अरे शॉप नंबर 3 blah blah ऐसे पूरा बताऊं?
हाँ,
It's
तो
in
कोई deliver.
it's in Warsaw, guys. You can Zomato पे you can have a look. Nitin, hi. Fardeen, hi. Vinayak, hi. And we can end this whenever you want.
So, can you all please tell your sign-offs to the people out here who are here for a lovely chitter chatter, so that I can like sign out and save it on IGTV. And guys, if you all have missed, you all can go and watch it on IGTV and also tag people you all want who should watch it. Okay, sign off.
Thank you, guys. It was very, very fun. Thank you, Shweta, because I think we've never done this. Abhishek and me together, we've never done any sort of interviews. We've always done separate. So, like someone says, Shweta, it's a nice initiative from you. So, thank you, Shweta.
Thank you, Indian Socialist.
All the credit goes to you. Thank you for having us. And good fun, guys. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Have a good week. And guys, you all can order tomorrow from Barmecha House.
Yes, and you please show up whenever you want. You please message me, so I'll try and be there उस time.
Definitely. With Abhishek, I shall come soon.
ठीक है.
Thank you, Shweta. Thanks, Rajat. Thank you, guys.
Bye, Abhishek.
Bye, guys.